Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're in the mood to talk about money today because that's what we're going to do in today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing my top 5 money saving resources. So this video is going to be perfect if you are a complete beginner to budgeting, or even if you know the ins and outs but you just want some tips on how to save a little bit of extra money each month. These are things that I use and that I love, and let's talk about them. Before we jump in, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this kind of content, and if you're new, hi, why not go ahead and subscribe? I make videos about learning to live your best life through financial freedom, dream chasing, personal development, all that jazz. So if that sounds like a good time to you, join the fam. And now, let's get into it. So the first app that I absolutely love and could not be without when it comes to budgeting, saving money and keeping on top of my finances is the spending tracker. This is going to come as no surprise to anyone who watches my monthly or what I spend in a month videos, because this app is how I keep track of every penny I spend. Look, it's pretty basic, but it does the job, and it was free on the App Store. Just type in spending tracker app and it'll come up. You can set your budget, and then every time you make a purchase or you spend something, you can add it in. If you forget to add something in, you can add it in at a later date and then go back and change the actual purchase date on it, which I find to be really helpful. The thing I love most about this app is that you can divide up all of your purchases into different categories. That way, at the end of the month, when I'm scrolling through, looking at what I've spent, it's easy to get a snapshot of where like most of my money has gone and what I need to cut down on in the future. Usually drinks at the pub. I always talk about how important it is to keep track of what you're spending because it helps keep you accountable, it helps keep you on top of things, it helps keep you informed. It's just really important, and this app makes that really easy for me. The second resource that I love for saving money is Honey. I think this is one of those things that like people see the adverts for this on like YouTube and maybe on TV, and it seems too good to be true, so people are kind of almost suspicious of it. I know I was when I first heard of it. I was like, what's the catch? But I've been using this for years now and there is no catch. Honey is a browser extension. I'm not like a tech person, I think that's what it is. You like add it on to your Google Chrome and it works in the background. Plugin? Look, I might not know exactly what it is, but I can tell you what it does. Basically, anytime you're shopping online and you go towards the checkout, Honey will pop up and say, hey, you want me to look for some coupons for you? And then it does. It just runs all of the coupon codes that it can find online until it finds you the biggest saving and then applies that saving to your cart. For free! For free! Did I mention it's for free? It's for free! Before I got Honey, I was that person who would obsessively trawl through pages and pages on Google looking for the best online coupon codes. And now I don't have to do that because this plug-in thing, whatever it is, it does it for me, and it saves me so much time, and it also saves me more money because it's a robot, so it can find better deals than I can just sitting trawling through Google. So I've saved so much money using Honey. It's amazing. Also, I am going to link everything I mentioned in this video down in the description box. Some of these things I have refer a friend links for, so I would very much appreciate if you are going to sign up for any of these things if you use my link. This video isn't sponsored and I'm also not affiliated with any of these companies or services, but yeah, refer a friend links. They give me points in my account and I enjoy that. My next favorite money-saving resource is Cashback, and I've talked about this a lot and I will continue to talk about it. Again, I feel like this is one of those things that sounds too good to be true and people get a little bit weirded out by it. Like it seems a bit sketchy, but it's actually not at all. Cashback is a cashback site. There are a bunch of them. There's the one at Rakuten, and now I've got Rasputin stuck in my head. Why? Quidco, Cashback, like there are quite a few of them out there. I like Cashback, that's just my personal preference. Anyway, the whole idea of a cashback site is that these sites get paid by retailers for you to shop there. I know that seems weird. Like, why does this exist? I don't know, but it does. That means every time you shop online via the Cashback website, you get a little bit of that money back. For instance, if I was going to order a Domino's pizza, which I do regularly, instead of just going to like Domino's.com, I go to Top Cashback. I type in Domino's in the search bar, it brings up a cashback offer, I click that, and that takes me to the Domino's site. And it tracks the fact that I have come through Top Cashback. Then I order my pizza as per normal, and eventually I'll get a notification to say, you have cashback. And a certain percentage of however much that pizza cost will come back into my Top Cashback site. You can do this for everything, it's not just for pizza. Clothes, flights, I've done it for flights and that's a pretty good one because flights are expensive. Car hire, hotels, perfumes, toys, everything. If you're going to buy something online anyway, especially with Christmas coming up, if you're doing Christmas shopping, if you're going to be doing it online, do it through a cashback site because you literally get cash back. It's free money. Why would you say no? My next favorite money saving resource, I know I've talked about this quite a few years ago in one of my old money saving videos, but still love it. It's loyalty cards. There was a time in my life where I probably had 30 plus loyalty cards and it was just ridiculous. Now I'm a lot more selective about the loyalty cards that I use because not all loyalty cards are created equal. My favorites for me in my life are my Tesco Club card and my Boots Advantage card. And I guess the place from my nail salon, because once I get my nails done 5 times, I get £5 off, so that's good too. But not really applicable to everyone. Different loyalty cards work in different ways. For the Tesco Club card, you get points every time you buy something from Tesco and use your club card. They also have club card only deals. So for instance, it'll be something like almond milk is usually £2, but if you have a club card, you can get it for £1. And those change every few weeks. So whenever I'm shopping, I'm always looking for the club card deals. The Boots Advantage card is very similar. Every time that you shop at Boots, you get a certain number of points per penny that you spend, gets put back onto your card. And it's kind of like cashback because then once those points accumulate, you can use them to buy things. Also, Boots Advantage card holders have some of the best coupons. And like I said, most places now have some kind of loyalty card, even if it's just like my nail salon where they stamp it every time you go and then you get a freebie at the end. So it's worth, if you shop somewhere often or if you spend a lot of money at a particular establishment, finding out if they have a loyalty card. And the final resource that I have been loving in 2021 that has really helped me save a lot of money is Vinted. You must have seen the adverts by now, right? They're on all the time. Don't love it? Sell it on Vinted. It's too much. They need to like really dial that down. And that's coming from me. Anyway, if you didn't know somehow, Vinted is kind of like Depop. It's a place where you can sell all of your clothes. They now do like homeware, baby clothes, all kinds of things at this point. I have had some serious bargains on Vinted. It's great for me because I'm trying to make more of a conscious effort to not buy into fast fashion and to be more ethical about my choices. A lot of times sustainable clothing brands are pricier, but buying secondhand is a great way to be more sustainable while keeping the cost way down. I've bought so many things on there that still had the tags on, were brand spanking new, and I got it for like so cheap. I've also sold a lot of stuff on Vinted, so it's great because if you are having a wardrobe declutter, like if you want to freshen up your style, you can sell a bunch of stuff on Vinted, and then instead of withdrawing that money into your bank account, you could just invest it back into new clothes that you buy from other people, which is what I've done. I just love it. Okay guys, so those were 5 of my favorite money saving resources. I hope that you found this video helpful. I am trying to bring back more money focused videos on this channel. Money and finances and budgeting, it's not glamorous and it's not particularly fun, but it is important, and the more that we can save money on like mundane things that we do every day, the more money we'll have to do fun things and go on trips and treat ourselves to nice things. So let's start putting our energy into trying to save money. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. I didn't think to mention this, but if you want to download my budgeting for beginners worksheet, that's a great way to start if you're wondering where to start. I'll link that in the description box too. You're welcome to have that, that's free. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that I love you so much and you are enough just as you are. And I'll see you guys soon.